Hello, this is Keroy, and today I'm reading for you a poem from page 135. It's called Peacock Style. I think Peacock Style must have been one of my first ever poems before the the flows really started coming. I would randomly write these little short poems, but I wasn't sure what they were. I was just writing random things. And it's funny because for me, when a poem formulates, it comes with its own title too. As I'm writing, I get the essence and the idea of what the poem has to be named. So, in this case, we have Peacock Style. Create beauty when the juices flow. Adorn yourself with opulence and grand poise, like the lifted feathers of a peacock. Stroll in grand royalty, like you remember your kingship. Expand the territories of your heart and mind in compassion and grace. Let it be known, I know who I am. I know where I come from. I am purposed to be here at this time and in this space. I was born for such a time as this. Be grand. This is Peacock Style. Ooh, I like that. I've loved peacocks for the longest time. And I love when they open up all their feathers and display their grandeur with no apology of how gorgeous and beautiful and royal they appear. So we should be the same way. We are royal in our beliefs, in our behavior, in our nature. Let us display it. Let us be that, with no apologies of the greatness that's flowing from within. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. This is Keroy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.